morning, guys. It's been a while me filming. It's a bit weird, but bear with me. Right now, I'm getting ready for my college, and I'm happy that I'm coming back to YouTube because it's been complete a while, and I hope, क्योंकि ना 2026 I've made a resolution that I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna film it, and so yeah. And right now I feel a bit weird going to college because I'm going to college after a month or so. Like Christmas vacation started, I got my first sem vacations, and then 2026 started, and I fell ill. So I was supposed to go on 2nd of January, and today is, if I'm not wrong, it's 16th. Yeah, it's 16th of January. So I haven't been going to college since that day. I don't know, I felt ill. I never expected that starting of the year itself I'll fall that ill, that severely ill, but here I am. So I don't know, मेरे को बहुत ही ना अजीब लग रहा है जाने के लिए अकेले, वो भी like कुछ नहीं कर सकते अब. Anyways, and periods are also chill. I have kitchen, FP, and accounts, self studies, and again that theory, so I can bear with it. So right now I'm doing my skincare and my makeup for college daily. I usually skip skincare. Trust me, I used to skip skincare for college because one, lazy. Second, I used to feel bored. I used to nah, because the makeup step is also like I have to do makeup a lot. So I was like, नहीं मेरे को नहीं करना है. मैं बहुत lazy हुई थी, guys. I'll be honest, from past time I've stopped filming and uploading video, being being on the spot, like continuously posting. I used to do that, and जब से हुआ है, मैं जब से रुका है, मैं बहुत lazy हुई हूँ. That's the reason why. And it's not that I haven't filmed a college vlog. It's like I wanted to film very badly that I'm damn sure college start हो गए थोड़ा तो दिन हुआ है, more than 5 months हुआ है. And in those months I have tried filming. It's not like no I haven't. I have, but मैं upload करती नहीं. Either it was because I'm lazy, or either it would be like नहीं मेरे को मन नहीं है करना. Mainly it's lazy for editing. What I hope I come out of it this year, because I don't want, guys. I really don't want to be lazy at all. My YouTube is that only place where I used to, be me. Now अब वो चला गया तो पता नहीं. दीदी का vlog also I've uploaded after कुछ महीने बाद. Like it's been months and then I've uploaded. तो देख ही लो. She got married last year and I uploaded this year. कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. So yeah, I'm kinda in half uniform. I have to wear my scarf, blazer, all that. So yeah, and I am to carry my chef coat and all. So kinda half got received full of it, full of like everything of my uniform, but अभी भी उतना नहीं है. मेरा chef coat पे मेरा नाम ही गलत है, guys. Like मेरे साथ ही होगा. So yeah. Just done with my skincare. I know you guys are wondering why that is there. Shiro gets up on it, so मम्मी ना रखती है. ये पाउच भर के मेरा सिर्फ कॉलेज का मेकअप है. मैं और कुछ नहीं करती. And you guys will be weird knowing that मैं इतनी कंजूस हूँ. I just got some separate makeup, cheap, affordable brand makeup so that I can whip up. And but I fell in love with those. Like, is this? I had showed this on my sister's wedding vlog also. I love this blush, bro. I love this, and I'm gonna do simple क्योंकि kitchen ही है. Anyways, sweat होगा ही. I have to cook, तो उसके बाद touch up करना ही है बाद में. तो भी के लिए बस simple ही. Okay. अब hair की बारी. I am, right now I have my curls. And I don't look good, but I just see if I'm not lazy and if I have some, I blow dry my hairs. I go with the blow dry brush, I blow them, but I don't straighten it, I curl them. But if I'm not, I just apply conditioner, do the curly hair method, add leave-in conditioner, and just leave it. And trust me, I'm kind of loving this look. This, I know, his haircut के लिए blow dry ही अच्छा है, but trust me, even blow dry doesn't. अगर मैं blow dry किए बिना ही, if I just do this, I know I don't have volume here, it looks weird, but then if I do that, I can do this either. This looks good. This looks like. And I love my haircut. I totally love my haircut. I am happy with that guy who did. Now, अब ये curl भी जाने वाला है क्योंकि ponytail bun. I think my guys are kind of my clutch, but personally I just mess up. Just I'm gonna tell you. I was going to do this. I'm gonna just. No, I'll go. If I focus, I will just like juice. And we will and my oil. This is budget. Oh yeah. I that was. I'm trying to do this. Like this. What is it? I was like I had I was so scared that I might get much putting it. I just put it. So it covers up anyways. अभी के लिए ऐसे ही मैं घर जाके नाश्ता खाने के बाद बनूंगी. So right now I'm gonna eat nashta and eat my tablet and then probably get again ready. So yeah, see you.
What the dog doing?
So this is how it looks. Packed my bag. It's done. I've even applied the blotter then to my face is oily. That's how much oily my face is.
Money in my bank account.
You have enough money. You have a fucking iPhone.
Ooh. I forgot. That generates income every month, right?
Oh god. As usual. This looks shit, man. This shit looks shit. Look at her.
Literal ballerina.
No, at least yours is better. This is shit. Like.
We used to get some.
What the hell? Check how much. You got 44. We need 40.
You know, a drop of it won't make a difference.
4 grams है. एक drop भी नहीं है. We need 40 and you've added 4 grams extra. Nigga.
3 grams, which is a drop.
Don't take me like that.
Just a chicken.
Take Bindu, why are you so seriously chopping it? And this madam. This nigga eating it.
Bro, what do you expect?
Okay, अब खाने वाला. मुझे स्पून.
खाना.
Me?
Wait.
I need coffee, please. Excuse me, Visya. Little. Abhijit bro, we left him.
The only thing I'm getting is mozzarella.
I love it. Can I get a spoon too, please?
Okay, is it that?
It's good.
Okay, let me.
Look at him. Look at him, guys.
No, cheese is too much, but I love.
You don't know that song.
I know. मैं गान फटी हुई है यार.
But you just don't know the meaning.
Yeah.
You know, Jawani is what?
I know your youth.
Yeah. Second hand is in your middle age. You are having this you know what
सीरियसली
kind of
एक तमिलियन ब्राह्मण मुझे में आइटम हिंदी आइटम सॉन्ग सिखा रहा है, उनका मीनिंग सिखा रहा
Okay,
है.
what's the real purpose of being a Brahmin in this? Could have just said Tamil. I didn't mention any Sanskrit.
Why do you have Bengal with puliyogare? Is it puliyogare or is it wangi bhat?
It is puliyogare. Taste and see. I have not tasted it yet.
I'm also gonna kill me, but yeah.
Why?
I never eat a house puliyogare, not even at least. Not bad.
Not even
अब मेरे को
biryani?
टैबलेट चाहिए थे. I mean पानी चाहिए. है ना? अब he's going, so I'm gonna be alone in the class. I have accounts, self-study, FP.
What the fuck do you do at Sensory? There's nothing to study.
Just randomly roam.
I mean, it adds a little bit of what can I say? Personality.
हाँ कुछ bland नहीं लग रहा है, सिर्फ ये बैट से
But
bland
this
लग रहा
badge
है.
is good.
Yeah, this one is good. This one is
You
shit.
know, I'll have to get a new badge soon. Yes.
चलो, bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Oh wow, you can't even come there.
Going there early. He's leaving now. I have to be alone. Class होने के बाद यही करता है.
I stole her bag.
She's
Damn cute.
literally.
And look at my fit.
Okay, fit is का fit.
Share your phone check.
I have heels
2000 के जूते
and investment. You should invest in yourself.
for college.
Show. Always invest in yourself. And listen, one advice to you. You're going to be standing for really long hours. Get compression socks.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a really good advice.
I mean, I would do
guess.
that if I had one house.
Bro.
Hey, मुझे भी दिखाओ ना जब मैं advice दे रही हूँ. Hi guys, advice for people who are doing like kitchen and stuff and are going to be standing for really long hours. Invest in yourself by getting some really good compression socks. They're totally worth
I really don't know who's gonna listen to this, but
But it's.
You will.
I guess it's.
bro, ये जूता जो almost फटा हुआ है,
Bro, you want me
टूटा
to
हुआ है,
show the shoes?
completely broken.
College shoes, bro.
See, I'm telling you, these are not. These are not.
Okay, guys. I just came home and usually college leaves this time, and I'll be coming home right 5:30ish. No, 6 o'clock or something like that. If it's 5:23, I'm a bit early. You guys saw we were doing time pass outside, chit chatting, boxing, जो भी है. I guess right now I'm hungry. I'm again kinda hungry, so let's just go fresh up and whoop something. Okay, I came to kitchen. I thought I'll make YY because trust me, I'm been obsessed with YY. Like, इतना obsession किसी को नहीं लगा कि मेरे पास 2 बैग है इसका. उतना obsession थी. I make chaat, I thought, but then mama, I don't know what you call this, but it's like a, I don't know what it is, but इसको थोड़ा सा स्पाइस वाइस डाल के दिया है. सो मे बी दिस. Okay guys, it's been a while, trust me. I was just binge watching, sleeping, and watching reels and all. So I've eaten my dinner, everything. It's around 10:17 and I pretty much go sleep, roll in the bed and sleep. Or हाँ उतना ही करती हूँ. So right now I just came here because I do my so I cannot do my skincare nowadays because trust me, last year I stopped doing every single shit, like everything which I used to be obsessed of. Like it used to be skincare, it used to be makeup, YouTube, everything. For like so many years I used to be obsessed over. I stopped doing it. Like I've completely become a lazy goose, and completely stopped doing those, and now I want to change that, and I want to like, नहीं bro, नहीं bro, मेरे हाथ से नहीं होगा, मेरे को स्किन केयर करना है, मेरे को ये जो है ना, I've kind of got like acne marks and pores like my aunt, तो वो change करना है. Shape, I need to maintain my shape and drink more water, a lot of things. So right now I'm gonna do a skincare. Like I either go with a full-on 3-step procedure or I go with 1-step procedure, but I think I can go with that 1-step procedure for more longer time, which is applying glycolic acid, because it helps. This baby, this is expensive shit, yes, but it helps me a lot. I am supposed to, you know, like for testing glycolic acid on your skin, you're supposed to do a patch test. Like you guys know, I forgot even to wear my nose ring. You're supposed to do patch test everything, and I stopped doing that also. I used to do it for like every week once, and then I stopped slowly. So it's even good for black spots. So right now I'm done. So anyways, so right now I'm just gonna go sleep because my phone battery is also gonna die. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till that,